This painting session is brought to you by Sunkissed Orange. This painting session, I'm going to actually do a wash to the lower section of the waist and the upper legs. And go through the process how to do that. What I use is the Testors Create FX Black Wash. I'm going to take your black wash and apply a thick coat over top of your parts. Actually, let's do rotate the waist where you have to be so careful around the gold armor. Just make sure you don't have to be super neat with doing a black wash. Just get your parts you're wanting to apply the wash to covered up. Okay, this will take a couple applications since I can't get all the way in different areas. And we're going to take a clean paper towel, preferably if you get the lint-free kind, works the best. And you just start wiping the wash off. You want to leave it into the low areas. This is sometimes too, it's best to do a single direction when you're doing the wipe. They help make it look like the wash is casting shadows. Sections there are a little too thick. I'm going to take a point with my paper towel and try to get the excess out of there so it's not too dark. Let's open the legs up, kick them out so we can get the inner thighs a little bit better. After this sits up and dries with this wash, I'll do a dry brush of red over top so it doesn't look so stark. This is not the only way to do washes. This is just the way I do washes. When you're working on parts that you can't take apart, that's when it's the harder parts to do, because you gotta keep moving, articulating the parts to get access to areas. And you don't want to leave it on too long. And you get too much coverage on areas. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Let this wash set up and dry. Go ahead some time to let the black wash cure up and dry. I have a few places I need to touch up, and a lot of times I end up having to dry brush over top after I do the black wash. But this one's actually looking pretty good. I like the way it dried up. Looks really nice. I got a few little dark spots here, and I can see a little bit of primer showing there. I need to fix that. Let's do these quick little touch-ups. I'm using Guards Red from Tester's Modelmeister Acrylics for this. And with this Tester's Red has almost got like a translucency to it, so it takes a little few layers to build up. So you don't really need to dry brush this stuff. You can actually go over top the shading you did, and you can still see it coming through. You can see through right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that with a lot of this. Lighten up the shading a little bit. Gives a little more natural tone. When you have a more translucent paint like this, you can do this easily. Alright. It looks pretty good. And we'll let this coat dry. After that last little bit of touch up with the Guards Red, the wash area looks really good. Like I said, the Guards Red's got like goes on, takes several coats. It's almost like a translucency to the paint. It's hard to cover, so it actually works really good when you're doing washes and you want to lighten up your wash. It is ready for sealer. I'll hit this with like a dull coat, with a Tester's dull coat, lacquer, spray paint. Then I'll hit it with a semi-gloss, which will give it a luster like this. It's almost like a factory style finish. It's not super shiny, but nice smooth tones. And that's done, and the finishes should match perfectly. Yeah, I'll finish up with this video. I'll catch you all next time.